Hi everyone, welcome to today's classes. And today we are going to discuss a very fine important point from tenses. Most people make mistake in this aspect. When to use simple past and when to use past perfect. It's the most confusing aspect of grammar because most of the people who use English as a major language for communication make this mistake unnecessarily. They use past perfect where they were ought to use simple past. So let us see how to use simple past and how to use and when to use past perfect. Alright, so first of all let us see the format of simple past. Simple past. Simple past tense denotes an action that happened in the past. It's completed in the past. Anything that happened already, we talk in simple past. I went to my friend's house yesterday. Yesterday is a past time. So I went to my friend's house yesterday. It's happened, done, understood. So simple past deals with an action that happened in the past. Another example is I watched a movie with my family last Friday. Simple past. So simple past format is subject, any subject that we do, plus second form of the verb. Subject plus second form of the verb. Three forms of the verbs generally are present form, past form and past participle form. So this second form is past form. Any subject, we can create a subject. Vinay. Vinay. He did something. It's action, verb. Play. Past form is played. Second form is played. Vinay played. Whatever it is. Football. Previous day with his friends, whatever it is. So, subject plus second form is simple past. Now let us look at the past perfect form. Past perfect always like subject plus before the second or third form of the verb, we have to use had plus verb third form. V3, a word, verb third form. So subject plus had plus V3 is a format of past perfect. The same example if I make Vinay had played football last month. Vinay had played football last month. Sounds fine. But this sentence is wrong. We cannot use because Vinay had played football last month is a very common usage where you are supposed to use simple past. Here we cannot use past perfect with any past reference of the time. Because it is had played is past perfect. The right form of usage is Vinay played, it had to be simple past. Now the question comes, where we use past perfect? We use past perfect only on two occasions. We use past perfect instead of simple past only on two occasions. We call it past in the past. One example, we are talking about something that happened yesterday. Yesterday, I went to school. I had a live session with the students. And after the live session, I asked them some questions and I gave them some assignments. And that's how we say. But when I talk something that happened yesterday, I want to say if I want to say something that happened before that. I gave them some assignments and I also checked the assignments they had been given. They were given. I had given them the previous class. So, when we talk about yesterday, anything that happens before yesterday becomes past perfect. We call it past in the past. Let us see an example. Alright, I draw your attention toward this small paragraph I wrote on the board. Here, just let me read it for you in case it's not completely visible. Lucy was alone. It was snowing. Her mother was late. She had gone to the market a few hours ago. Lucy decided to go in search of her mother. Her mother had asked her not to go out. So I'm just going to mark the verbs here. Let me mark the verbs here and see, let us see what are the verbs and which are in simple past and which are in past perfect. So was alone, was is there, here also was knowing is there. So again was, had gone and decided, had asked. So by looking at the structure of the verb, we can see which are simple past. We have simple past. This is past continuous. And we have simple past. Had gone, past perfect. And decided, simple past. And had asked, past perfect. And now you see why I used two past perfects here. The rest of them are in different tense, simple past or one past continuous. Let us see how it is. Let us see it happen. Lucy was alone. We begin the paragraph here. Let us assume a time, 6 p.m. So this thing that is happening is at 6 p.m. It happened some time ago, but at that time it was at 6 p.m. So it was knowing again 6 p.m. It was knowing. We're talking about something that happened in the past at a particular time. And her mother was late. Again, 6 p.m. She thinks the mother is late. She's supposed to have come home earlier. She had gone to the market a few hours ago. But she had gone to the market. She did not go at that time 6 p.m. A few hours ago. Let us assume 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Because it happened before. And Lucy decided. It's again 6 p.m. she's decided. Okay. I'm going in search of her. Mother had asked her. It also must have asked it somewhere around 3 p.m. Now you just read this paragraph, and anything that happened at a particular time in the past, we use past perfect. Sorry, simple past. And anything that happens before that, when we mention, we need to use past perfect. I hope it's clear. We call it past in the past. The rest of all places, when you're confused whether to use past perfect or simple past, use simple past. That must be right. Now there's one more instance where we use past perfect. If there are two actions happening in one sentence, joined by conjunction, if two actions are there, if the actions happen different time, the first action should be in simple past. The action happened before should be in past perfect. The second action should be in simple past. Let us have a discussion on that with an example. Please listen. Alright, okay. Let us come to the example once again. The convict is subject. The verb I put in bracket is escape, before, and the police, and again the subject of the second clause after the conjunction, reach the hideout. So we have two actions here. One is escaping, one is reaching. One is escaping and another one is reaching. So let us look at this example. Before shows that this happened because before the police could reach, escaping has happened. So escaping happened first, reaching happened second. So as per rule, when two actions are there in one sentence in different time, it did not happen simultaneously, then what we do is that the first one should be in past perfect. The convict had escaped before. The second one should be in simple past, before the police reached the hideout. The convict had escaped before the police reached the hideout. So these are the two occasions. Mostly, 99% of time we use past perfect. The rest of the time, when you want to write something that happened in the past, do not get confused with simple past or past perfect. Use the simple past. I repeat once again that simple past is used anything that has already happened or completed. And past perfect is only when two actions like this or past in the past. We talk about something that happened in the past. Anything that happened before that, we need to use that verb in past perfect. I hope it is clear.